Ladies and gentlemen, I, Vipul Kumar Srivastava, Company Secretary of Morpel Laboratories Limited, welcome all the directors, shareholders, and other participants in this extraordinary general meeting of Morpel Laboratories Limited. Members, due to preventive measures, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI has permitted the companies to hold the general meeting through video conferencing and other audio-visual means. Accordingly, this EGM being held through video conferencing mode. Facility to joining of this EGM is being made available on first come first served basis. All members who have joined this meeting by default placed on mute mode to avoid any disturbance from background and to ensure smooth seamless conduct of the meeting. The company has taken requisite steps to enable members to participate and to vote on this item being considered in this AGM. Since all the members are eligible to join this EGM through video conferencing mode, therefore, facility to appoint proxy to attend and vote cost is not available for this EGM. The registered office of the company is situated in Himachal Pradesh, shall be the deemed venue for this EGM, and the proceeding of this EGM shall be deemed to be made thereat. Good job. During the register of directors, KMPs, and their shareholding contracts or arrangements in which the directors are interested are open for inspection electronically. Members may inspect the same. Please note that the proceeding of this meeting is being recorded and the transcript of the same shall be uploaded on the website of the company. Now, I would like to introduce the members of the board and other dignitaries who are joining us today through video conferencing mode. Coming from Mr. Sushil Suri, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, being the Chairman of this EGM as per the Articles of Association of the company, joining this meeting from Gurugram.
Good morning everybody.
Mr. Sanjay Suri, Whole-time Director, joining this meeting from Gurugram.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning ji, Sanjay ji.
Mr. Manoj Joshi, an Independent Director and Chairman of Audit Committee, Stakeholder Relationship Committee, attending this meeting from Gurugram. Mr. Praveen Kumar Dutt, an Independent Director and Chairman of Nomination and Remuneration Committee and Risk Management Committee, attending this meeting from Delhi.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Bhupender Raj Vadava, an Independent Director, attending this meeting from Gurugram.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Mr. Sukhcharan Singh, an Independent Director, attending this meeting from Gurugram.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Dr. Savita, an Independent Director, attending this meeting from Delhi.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Further, Mr. Ajay Kumar Sharma, Chief Financial Officer of the company, Mr. S.T. Babuta, Partner of Messrs. S.P. Babuta and Associates,
Good morning.
Secretary Auditors, and Mr. Praveen Dua, Proprietor of Messrs. P.T. and Associates, Secretary Auditor, and Scrutinizer are also joining us this
My
meeting.
greetings to all of you. My greetings.
As I'm seeing the requisite forum is being present now, I hand over the proceeding to Mr. Sushil Suri, Chairman and Managing Director of the company. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Hi friends, good morning. Good morning everybody, and a very warm welcome to the extraordinary general meeting of your company. Hope everybody is fine and in the best of health and spirit. I know it's exam days for the kids and of course annual closing for the people who are in business. I wish everybody a lovely, healthy year ending and of course a good luck and a great luck. Since the requisite forum is present, I call the meeting to order. Notice of the extraordinary general meeting has been circulated to all the members on 24th February. The notice of the EGM is available on the websites of the company, stock exchange and NSDL. Coming to the business of the company, business of this meeting. With your permission, I shall take the notice of the EGM comprising the resolution, the explanatory statement as well. Friends, I'm delighted to share that your company has entered 40th year of its beautiful journey of growing together with you. As we chart our new phase of life, new phase of growth with more power and energy. So we continue on our mission of empowering consumers with innovative health products, medtech products in India and to the global markets. We strive to achieve excellence in whatever we do, be it research, production, sales, consumer relations. I would say everything. It's basically a 360-degree excellence. To achieve this excellence, so we remain committed to our three core values. Of course, first is passion, then action, and innovation, which is the core of the pharma industry. Dear friends, in last 40 years, we have been able to establish Morphin as a well-diversified company with a strong portfolio of APIs and of course, direct relationship with the consumers through medical devices and OTC products. Between API and medical devices, we secure around 80 to 90% of the business as we continue expanding our product basket and the consumer reach both. Now, coming specifically to the API business, which has been our core, we have established Morpen as a long-standing brand that stands for quality and commitment. And of course, with a loyal customer base in 80 countries. Business in all the continents have been growing very rapidly with a solid base of around 1,200 customers, and 60% of sales every year come from our loyal customers who have been in business with us more than 10 years. So it's a very regular business. Our company had been a category leader in 6 lead products like loratadine, desloratadine, Montelukast, atorvastatin, rosuvastatin, and fexofenadine. These products make up almost 90% or more than 90% of the revenues with robust growth. All these products are stable and established despite the fluctuation in the pricing, which we had seen in the last couple of years, both pre-COVID and post-COVID. The company has been able to maintain a steady growth of business over the years. Friends, as you understand, the core of API business is regulatory compliance and the focus on the regulatory filings, including DMFs and patents. We are well approved and accepted by all the international regulators, including US FDA, PMDA Japan, KFDA Korea, TFDA Taiwan, the DG Australia, and of course lately Anvisa Brazil. So the API had been very good strength. Now coming to the medical devices, back in year 2000, your company could foresee that the marketing trends and the market trends are changing, and we took a big move and pivoted towards creating a direct relationship with consumers and launched a brand called Dr. Morpen, which has become a household name in India today. Other than the legacy brands which we acquired like Banol and Lamolate, in the OTC business, your company has pioneered in establishing medical devices in business in India, and of course it's for the home use. Dr. Morpen franchise has grown with revenues almost 500 crores between medical devices and OTC products, and reaching to almost 4 lakh outlets with almost 4,000 distributors in the different segments. Our medical device business is unique in one way, that we are the only company at such a scale to manufacture these medical devices in India and doing an end-to-end manufacturing from bare chips to the finished products. Our glucometers and BP monitors are 100% manufactured in-house, and 90% of sales come from these two products. Of course, you all know India is the diabetic capital of the world, and diabetic and heart, again, these problems go together hand in hand, with an estimated 10 crore diabetic patients in India and growing. We have crossed 1 crore customer base this year for glucometers, and these glucometers give us regular and repeat business. And we add around 20 lakh customers every year. We sell 20 lakh meters every year. Our medical devices, again, are all approved and audited by ISO 13485, which is a global standard for medical devices. And as you know, the government of India is focusing more and more on manufacturing medical devices in India to make it a global hub. And on the same line, your company is also expanding in capacities in the medical devices. We have started export to the neighboring markets like Nepal, Bhutan, Thailand, and we are working on the Middle East market as we speak. We stand committed to continue our journey on this growth trajectory as we are working for some resource mobilization to continue this growth. At the end, I would like to thank everybody for all your support and understanding. With this, I would pass the proceedings to the company secretary to give the details of the voting process.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Dear members, in terms of Companies Act 2013 and the listing regulations, the company had provided remote e-voting facility with the help of NSDL to the members. The remote e-voting period had commenced from 15th of March 2024 from 9 o'clock till 17th March 2024 till evening 5 o'clock. Such members who have not casted their vote through remote e-voting can cast their vote through voting during the meeting by visiting the page of NSDL. The e-voting platform is presently open and shall remain open till 15 minutes after the conclusion of this meeting. Since the meeting is being conducted through video conferencing mode and the resolutions stated in the notice of EGM is already put to vote through e-voting, so there will be no proposing and seconding of the resolution. Mr. Praveen Dua, Company Secretary in practice, being a scrutinizer present in the meeting, shall immediately after the conclusion of this meeting unblock the votes cast through remote e-voting, and e-voting is this EGM, and shall make a consolidated scrutinizer report on the total vote casted in favor or against, if any. The results of voting shall be declared within 48 hours after the conclusion of this EGM and shall be placed on the website of the company and the website of NSDL and stock exchanges. The company has also provided the possibility to visit themselves and ask questions and exchange their thoughts, if any. In this regard, the company has received requests from 8 members to register themselves as a speaker, but they had not sent their request in the prescribed format given in the notice of this EGM. That is from my side. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Vipul. With this now, I'm authorizing the company secretary to conduct the e-voting process. As stated earlier by him, that e-voting shall remain open till 15 minutes after the conclusion of this AGM, and the results will be declared latest by 20th March. I'm thankful to all the members, directors, auditors who have joined this meeting through video conferencing today and for their cooperation in smooth conduct of the EGM. With your consent, now we conclude the meeting. Thank you once again, everybody.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. We will address the queries, if any, we have received in our chat box through emails. Further, you can vote till 15 minutes after now. And if you have not voted earlier, thank you so much from our side. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.